Your Excellencies, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, who have the singular privilege and honor to very quickly, dutifully, and graciously invite to the podium to welcome all and sundry by way of opening remarks the distinguished chairman of the campaign organization of Ugumba Uchewosu, our Guba candidate. Incidentally, the man in question happens to be a veteran politician who is a success story.
Yes.
He has crisscrossed and gone through some political travails and succeeded. And to the glory of God, he has come to align himself with only the action that can produce positive results. We are into the era of all possibilities. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Okense Sylvester Obinna to the microphone.
Election of 2019 in Imo State, Bunambon, no, say she's Ọkwa 2019 election, ọkwa ndị nke ọzọ ma onye isi ukwu ma onye isi nkwọcha bịara ịchallenge obere nwa. Anyị ga-eme ihe David mere Goliath n'akwụkwọ nsọ. Ọ bụ nna mbọ ntọntọ seshisa.
Let's welcome the chairman campaign council of Ugumba Uchewosu and the president of Okense Sylvester Obinna.
Your Excellency, the incoming governor of Imo State, come May 29th, 2019, and you are beautiful and amiable wife. The national officers of the Action Alliance, the state officers, the members of the Guba Campaign Council, the DG and other directors, all protocols observed. Our assignment today is very simple. I came here on behalf of the Campaign Council to present to the world, to present to Imo State, to present our dear nation, the candidate of the youth in Nigeria. I come to present to you the humble and hardworking young man from Imo State. I come to present to you the Imo State son, a man who is neither clannish nor feels he belongs to any part of the state, and he indeed belongs to all parts of the state. I'm talking of that person who has disarming humility, a man who, when you look at him, you will understand what it means and what Imo State will rejoice when they have him as their governor May 29, 2019. In this same venue, gentlemen and ladies, we are going to usher him in, and I can see the Chief Judge of Imo State saying, repeat after me, as you swear Ugumba in as the next governor of Imo State, come 2019, please. I can see this man who will further refine all the good works of Obere Rochas, who can embark and continue the good works like the free education. I'm talking of this man who understands the way to the kitchen, who understands the way to all parts of the house, who understands government house, who will work and get results. I'm talking of that young man who, when you look at him, you see humility, you see greatness. This is a stepping stone for him, and God will be with him. Today we're talking about perfect alliance. That alliance is possible because of the man that is full of integrity, The president of this country, Muhammadu Buhari, is the man of integrity. And we have resolved 120% to give him our support so that he will come back again and do another 4 years. Everybody say, "Say Buhari! Say Buhari! Say Buhari! Say Buhari!" Chinemukeso. 4 more years of Buhari. You know, it is easy to destroy, but difficult to build. For 16 years or more, the PDP has been on, and they have done a lot of damage to this economy, a lot of damage to our integrity, and there's no other person, when you look at all of them, that can do better than Buhari. Let him continue and finish repairing this bad economy that is brought upon Nigerians, this hardship that is brought upon Nigerians by the former government of PDP. Coming to this state, gentlemen and ladies, Your Excellency Gumbuche Wosu, you can see the youths, you can see the women, you can see the men under this sun because of you. I know as a businessman, I'm not a state contractor. I'm not even a government contractor. I am here because I identified a very good thing that will be good for this state. That is why I started to be here. That is why I'm calling Gumbuche Wosu. That is why the business community is supporting him, because of what he is and what he will be. He understands agriculture, he understands transformation, and he will transform Imo State. From where the present governor has stopped, he would continue. I know every contestant that is on this election with him. I know all of them one and one. Some of them are my friends. But I want to tell you that when I looked at Uche Wosu and all of them, Ndebekanye, Ndimo, I found out that Uche Wosu is the best in Imo State. I found out that Ugumba Uche Wosu will give us what we want. And that is why I'm here. On behalf of the business community in Imo State, we know that he will give us a enabling environment. We will know he will add value to Imo State. We know he's a wonderful young man with a wonderful wife, a good husband, a good father, and more importantly, a wonderful youth. He is indeed the candidate of the youth, the candidate of our mothers, the candidate of our fathers. Don't let anybody deceive you. No matter the manipulation, today we are in AA. Not because of anything, but because the national chairman of APC, Dr. Shibole, prior to what our will as Imo State, we came under the sun, we voted, we chose our candidate, and he decided to, in his room, turn the result. And Imo State is saying no. There is no two words about it. Ugumba Uche Wosu is the next governor, and Buhari is the next president. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Oye Kachani, Ugumba Kachani, Naligo State, Apanu Ugumba Kachani, Adana Nigeria, Apanu Buhari Kachani, Oyasina Magati, Ikukuruya, Oyasina Magati, Ikukuruya,
Thank you so very much. Very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, may I also have the singular privilege and honor to invite to talk to us, just like I mentioned to us, other political parties are collapsing in support of Ugumba Uche Wosu, so also the candidates and aspirants for the various political parties coming from Ikeduru, Owerri zone of Imo State of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are happy to welcome to the podium to talk to us a quintessential businessman of repute who contested for House of Assembly under the banner of the PDP in Ikeduru, and today he is here to identify with the moving train. Join me to welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Chief Dennis Oku Sweet.